Hey everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This morning we've got this 2014 64 registered Peugeot 3008. We've managed to find another 2 litre HDi automatic Allure model. So it's the top of the range with a proper 6-speed auto gearbox, not like the crummy 1.6 electronic gear rubbish. This one's done 48,000 miles, it's got 8 services, it's finished in Vanquish white. It's got the black cloth stroke leather interior, parking sensors all round, glass roof, all your typical Allure features. Condition wise, it's superb. We've done no paintwork to this vehicle. This is exactly how it come into us. It rides on the 18-inch alloys, got 2 brand new tyres on the front, really good on the rear. There's no dings or scrapes to point out. It is super clean. Got the rear privacy glass with the rear blinds as well for a bit of extra protection for the kids. Split tailgate, reverse cam, your reg number there for any checks you may wish to carry out. But I think you'll agree, this is about as clean as you're going to find for a 10-year-old vehicle. We do try and prep our cars a bit better than other dealers. I'm not saying we're the best, but we do go above and beyond. And there you have it. Let's show you inside. So as I mentioned, we've got the split tailgate, so top half open, bottom half open. Nice smooth floor for loading, and the adjustable floor as well, so you've got some storage underneath and you can change the height of that so it's level with the other hatch. This one has got the torch. A lot of these go missing. It's a factory option, and it charges on its own whilst it's there and it's in its home look. Split folding rear seats, load cover, and no nasty smells or dogginess in there. We have got a full set of floor mats as well, they should be in there. They're still drying. Obviously it's winter, so things take a little bit longer to dry. Part leather, immaculate in the back. You hear the cliche all the time, doesn't look like it's ever been sat in, but really don't. Got Isofix, got rear armrest, electric windows, bit of storage in the floor. Check for water in these if you're looking at buying another one. A lot of these can get wet. This one's not. We always check, make sure that they're right before we buy them. Your blinds and your fixed glass roof. Seats in the front, again, showing no real signs of wear. Excellent condition. Easy to see. The mileage is 100% genuine. We don't sell clocked vehicles, we're not interested in that. All of our vehicles are checked and verified. Folding mirrors, electric windows, auto lights, wipers, cruise control. As I say earlier in the video, all the bits that you expect from a top of the range Allure model. 48,591 was the mileage there. Just start it up. As you see, no warnings, no funny noises, nothing to hide from us. We've got head-up display. You can switch that off. Blowers work, as you can hear there. Yeah, you can change the head-up display and have it on or off, change your information, etc. It's all working. I like it out. Navigation, media in the middle. As you can see there, we're on the maps. That's us just off Meadow Lane in Loughborough. We've got your radio. And let me see if I can remember how to do it. Yeah, we go media. So you've got CD, USB, auxiliary, and the all-important Bluetooth streaming just there. Change your displays. Reverse camera. And there you have it. Auto-dipping mirrors. Seatbelt warnings. That's your blind for the sunroof, which is all working correct. Centre console, excellent. No scratches, look. This is the thing I look out for quite a lot when I'm buying. People got in and out with keys in their hands and scratched all of this centre console. It's nice to see them still in good condition. Big armrest with plenty of storage. It goes under there as well, like that. So if you've got out to hide, that's the place. Handbox, glove box. And there you have it. Another cracking 3008. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. And if you are considering financing your vehicle, do give us a try for a quote. We work with a number of lenders and brokers in the industry to try and find you the best deal that we can. Thanks for watching.